Hello students, welcome to Tech and Digital Teaching System. I am your maths teacher and today we are learning Countdown 6. So before start our topic, I would like to advise few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefits from Tech and Digital Learning. So like and subscribe your school channel so don't miss any video. May watch multiple times video till find out the answers. So let's start our question and the question is write the first 5 multiples. So in the given question you can write the first 5 multiples of the value. So number one is 17 multiplies. So simply you can start the counting of table of 17. So 17 1 the 17, 7 2 the 34, 17 3 the 51, 17 4 the 68 and 17 5 the 85. So simply you can write the first 5 multiplies of the digit. So simply you can write 17, 34, 51, 68 and 85. Next part of this question 23 multiplies. So again you can start counting the table of 23. So 23 1 the 23, 23 2 the 46, 23 3 the 69, 23 4 the 92 and 23 5 the 115. So simply you can write the first 5 multiplies of 23. Next question is list the multiplies of 7 between 10 and 40. So simply you can write the multiplies of 7 between 10 and 40. So 7 on the 7 and 7 to the 14. So 14 is greater than 10. So simply we can write 14 and 7 3 the 21. So we can write 21 and 7 4 the 28. So again we can write 28 and 7 5 the 35. So we can write 35 and we have a limit that we have larger value is less than 40. So 7 6 are 42. So we have limit less than 40 or between 40. So we can't write 42 and we stop at 35. Next question is list the multiplies of 11 less than 50. So again you can start counting the table of 11 and write the value at less than 50. So 11 ones are 11, 11 to the 22, 11 3 the 33 and 11 4 the 44. So 11 5 the 55. So we can't write 55 because we have limit that we can write less than 50. So we can stop at 11 4 the 44. Next question is without actual division state whether each of the following numbers is divisible by 2, 3, 5 and 11. And simply you can divide and test the both values that is completely divisible by 2, 3, 5 or 11 or not. So we have value 105. So we can divide 105 to 2, then 3, then 5 and then 11. So let's start 105 to 2. So 105 we can divide it by 2. So 105 is not completely divisible by 2. Then we can start divided by 3. So 3 is a 9 and we have remainder 1. So we can write 5 in the next digit. So 3 5 is 15 and third 105 is completely divisible by 3. So we can write yes, 105 is completely divisible by 3. Uh, Number third is 105 divided by 5. So simply we can start the division. Uh, so 5 to the 10. So we can write the next digit 5 and then 5 on the 5. So we have 21. So we can say that 105 is completely divisible by 5. Next is 105 divided by 11. So 105 is not completely divisible by 11. So this is the answer of this question. Next question is state whether of the following are divisible by 11. So simply you can divide the value by 11. So value is 1661. So divided by 11 we can answer 11 ones are 11. So we have remainder 5. Then we can write next digits which is 6. So 11 5 is 55. Then again we have a remainder 1. So we can write the next digit which is 1. So we have 11. So 11 ones are 11, the remainder is 0 and it is completely divisible by 11. So our solution is 150. Next question is give an example of a number which is. So number 1 is divisible by 7 but not 14. So simply you can write the number that is divisible by 7 and not comes in the table of 14. So simply you can write the 7 3 the 21 because 14 to the 28 and 14 minus 14. So 21 is not comes in the table of 14. So we can write 21 divisible by 5 but not 15. So again we have start counting table of 5 and 5 4 are 20 and 20 comes in the table of 5 but not in 15. Next question is test whether 6 is a divisor of. So simply you can write the value divided by 6. So our value is 504. So 504 divided by 6. So 6 8 is a 48. So we can subtract 48 to 50. So we have answer 2 and other value of digit is 4. So we have 6 4 are 24 and we can subtract to 24. Then our remainder is 0 and is completely divisible by 6. So we can write yes, 504 is a divisor of 6. Next question is test whether 9 is a divisor of. So simply we have value 53655. So we can divide 3655 to 9. So 9 4 is 36. So we have no any digit remaining. So next digits are 55. So we can write 55 and 9 6 are 54. So we have remainder 1. So we can write no, 9 is not a divisor of 3655. Next question is list the prime numbers between 50 and 75. So before I start this question, I would like to define the prime numbers. So what is prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers that comes only his own table. Means 1, 3, 5, 7, so and so on. So simply we can write the table between 50 and 75 that comes in own table. So 53 comes only in own table and doesn't come any table and not a complete divisor of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then 59, then 61, then again 67, then 71 and last 73. These digits are prime numbers between 50 and 75 and these digits are not completely divisible by 1 to 20 or they are only comes his own tables. Next question is find the pairs of twin primes between 50 and 80. So this method is also very same as previous question, but you can write simply the pairs of in pair form. So 59 and 61, these both two values are the prime numbers between 50 and 80, and 71 and 73 are also prime numbers between 50 and 80. Next question is write 5 consecutive composite numbers below 30. So before start this question, I would like to define you consecutive numbers. So what is consecutive numbers? So consecutive numbers are those numbers that comes in a row. Means we have formula x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 and so on. Means we have for example we can start 1 2 3 4 5 54 55 56 57. So we have start these numbers, these composite numbers below 30. So 24 25 26 27 and 28, these five numbers are the composite numbers and consecutive numbers below 30. So students, hope you enjoyed and learned the basic concepts. Don't forget to find out the answers and write the answer in the summer vacation copy within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning project as 10 marks included in your final term assessment. Hope to see you in next topic. Thank you.